At Accra, as elsewhere in the Gold Coast, the people go to the polls to elect members for the Legislative Assembly, the first step in the new constitution which came into force with the new year. 38 seats are open to the popular vote. The Governor and Lady Arden Clark arrived to inspect one of the ward polling booths. Results are expected to favour the Convention People's Party, whose leader, Kwame Nkrumah, is in James Fort Prison for fostering an illegal strike. Chiefs filled a further 37 seats by voting in the Territorial Council of Chiefs. As here, voting was strictly secret. Candidates in country places canvassed under animal signs, and votes were made for the elephant candidate, and so on. Convention party leaders watched the final count, and the result is victory for the CPP, whose leader has since been freed. They've caused trouble in the past. Will power breed in them a sense of responsibility?